Why my bad bitches
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas pushing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he gon' get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he gon' get a begging. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date. I'ma go put my name on it account because when I need money, I'm tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date. I'ma go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be oh, you can't touch it. Hey, bitch, I do free shit. My money thick. Hey, walk with a lip. I'm on some pimp shit. Hey, he say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in your new shit. You on that last year. Bitch, I do pimp shit. Oh, you on simp shit. Hey, they say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit.
You know why these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck up from the back and she nasty, killing me. Know I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name this little thing here style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she in reverse. Got up on the dick and ride the shit like a Camaro.
I can't even with oh, you can't touch it. Hey, bitch, I do free shit. My money deep. Hey, walk with a lip. I'm on some pimp shit. Hey, he say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. I'm in my bag, bitch. I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last year. Bitch, I do pimp shit. Oh, you on simp shit. Hey, they say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. Look, I don't be stressing by none of these niggas. When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma do it when he say he gon' make it. I told him send me a pic cause he missed me. I told him send me a pic if he really. I don't be trusting these shits, they tricky. Send him a pic of somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly dresser.
Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the pictures. I don't get it, you're a star lover. You shouldn't have to do with that. I'll never make you feel like that.
Alright, y'all. So I am officially ready. Let me show y'all the final fit. Face giving. Is the face giving? Body giving. Oh wait, let me get the bag. Let me get the bag. I'll go pick up my cousin. We gonna be late, but he don't be coming out till like 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock anyway. So we're not gonna be that late. Bag. Giving. It's the. Alright, y'all. Everything Temu. Besides, no, I think the jacket's from Temu too. No, the jacket's from Amazon. Jacket, Amazon. Shirt, Temu. Skirt, Temu. Bag, Temu. Shoes, we're going. So I'm gonna go be on my way to get my cousin, and I will see y'all when we get to the stadium. Alright, y'all. So we couldn't even bring my camera in. So we had to take my camera back to the car. I had to take my camera back to the car. But we here. You're dialing something. Oh my bad. We made it. We made it. That's all. Alright, y'all. So
You ain't got no light on.
I know. I'm looking for the whole. Damn, where'd my thing go?
It's an actual small, because last time they gave me a medium. Alright, this is small.
I told them give me
I got a
whatever.
medium right on right
I'll cut
now.
my shit. Goddamn. Alright, y'all. So we couldn't take the damn camera inside. We had to bring it back to the car. We got shirts for $20.
He didn't even, but he brought Nelly Chopper. I told you. Nelly Chopper.
They didn't come. I'm guarantee you they did not come. I guarantee you they didn't come.
Right.
Cause did you see any of them on anybody's story? Hell no.
I heard Chris Brown in the beginning.
So we had to bring the camera back into the car because I guess we couldn't record. But it was a good show. I just feel like it was deja vu because we went to his show last year and he played the exact same songs. So I think she. Oh, girl, I don't give a damn. It's not even my car. But he played the exact same songs. I feel like that's the only problem. But it was a good show. As y'all can see, it's 1,000 people leaving out this bitch. So we gonna get ready to head out. Our next concert is Chris Brown. And I know that shit about to be, damn, it's hella people. That shit gonna be turned. I know that shit gonna be turned. I'm ready for Chris Brown, like. But Abel, you're not gonna see me again unless you're doing another show with different songs because I'm tired of singing the same shit. How you feel about the show?
It was alright, but same songs. I was waiting for a new song at least.
At least one.
Maybe did me wrong.
You could have did at least one. At least one song. No, he didn't. But yeah, I'm gonna start driving. I'll see y'all later. I like this camera because when you're like